Hello everyone and welcome back. Here we're going to review the PaperColor app, a drawing app that is available from the Google Play Store. And as you can see, it has some good reviews and it's been around a while. It has quite a few downloads and we'll go ahead and install it. This is on my Galaxy Tab A, so I'll just go install. So it's installing, as you can see. It's fairly quick to install apps on Google Play most of the time. Open. So I'm in landscape mode, but fortunately it's presenting the screen in portrait mode. So I will turn the screen around. So it's asking for create space in this region here, but let's see what we have in the settings section. Feedback, tutorial information, not really much there, but let's go ahead and create what they call create space. Okay, we'll call it bird, yeah. Okay, that's my space. So now what do I do? Okay, I guess that's a category in itself, because now I'm asked to click on the plus sign, which I'll go ahead. Now it's given me a canvas to draw. So I have default is the crayon, and you can see here it's just like a crayon. And let's see, colors. Yeah, so the colors is not like the infinite type colors you see in a circular form. It's actually giving you pre-selected colors here, but you can change it. So okay, here's the first ad that's popped up. Let's click out of that, and again, so selecting that seems to pop up this ad. So I don't know what's going on here, but let's pick this to see if the crayon picks it up. Yep. And how do you control the width of it? Let me see. Okay, here, and it's already at the maximum. So let's change the color to somewhere you can see. So if you go here, so that's the opacity, as you can see, and that's the hardness. So actually the size is very limited, what I can tell. But let's go to Paintbrush. This one is probably one standard tool. Okay. Then let's see what the size is actually. We have to select the paintbrush here. So we have a bit bigger. I don't know about this, but this reminds me of the shade tool in Paintology somewhat, and it would be good, but I'm somewhat disappointed that it doesn't have the maximum size is here, so you really need to cover a lot of regions with that. Again, the opacity here, and which is fine. Let's see what this is. Background color, I'm guessing. Yep. Green. Yep, background color. And then let's see that again. Image. Okay, so that's asking me if I wanted to import an image. So let's just forget that for now. Color picker. Okay. Color picker. Color picker. Let's see if we can find yellow. Yep. So it does the color picking quite nicely, and Let's see what this is. These are layers, of course, so you can add layers. Again, it's asking, throwing up the side here, which I think it's going to allow me to do it. No, so it's limited that unless you buy it, you would want to use the layers. So the best thing is to become comfortable with this drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and probably make a quick drawing of this, but let's see if there are any more tools that would be of interest here. We got the spray. Oh wow, everything is like pay for. Oh goodness, how many are free? Okay, so that's an eraser, as you can tell. Okay, and that one, what does that do? Oh, it creates straight lines, which is interesting. Let's go back, pick a bit more darker color. That's a nice feature to have when you want to do straight lines. So that's really what it's saying, to do straight lines. What's this here? What is that? That's saving it. So that tick mark is for saving. So we can go on, share, continue, meaning we can continue to work on this. And if we go back again, discard, then we can delete it or save it, organize it as you feel, as you wish. So let's pick another one. So pencil, let's try the pencil. Let's see what, so we have to click it again in order. Very disappointing that the thickness cannot be varied on that. So in order to cover a large region. But anyway, time will tell by doing an actual drawing, which I hope to bring you later. But aside from that, it's probably a good standard drawing app with not too many features built in, and it should be all right for beginner artists and such like. So I'll see you again soon. Thanks.